What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video it's gonna save you some serious cash. I've been using Hostinger for 8 years. So when I say I know this platform inside out, I mean it. And today I'm not just reviewing it, I'm showing you how to get the maximum discount Hostinger has to offer. We're talking the biggest savings possible. Let's go quick breakdown. There are two discount options with Hostinger. Option 1, a coupon code gives you up to 10% off. Option 2, a referral code gives you a whopping extra 20% off on top of whatever deal is already running. No contest, go with the referral code every single time. Here's how to grab it. I've put the referral links in the description and the pinned comment, sorted by country in your local currency and language. Scroll down, find your country, tap the link, and boom, you're on Hostinger's official site. Hit products or services in the menu. You'll see all their plans laid out: hosting, business email, website builder. For today's live demo, I'm going with Hostinger VPS because these machines are absolutely powerful. On the VPS page, you've got KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm picking KVM2, solid mid-range powerhouse. Click it, head to checkout, and watch that 20% discount show up right there on the page. Real, verified, working. Oh, one pro tip before you go. Use a brand new email address, not one you signed up with before. That's how you make sure the discount locks in properly. Simple but crucial. If this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment below and hit subscribe on the noted Hostinger coupon code channel. More deals, more savings, more videos just like this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.